Hi, Bridges Connor here with Get Organized with Bridges and Company. And for you laundry fanatics, we're going to talk about the flip and fold today. And it is just as easy as it sounds. You literally go flip, flip. I tuck this up and then you do the fold and you have perfectly folded t-shirts every time. And if you store your t-shirts in a drawer, I like to give it one extra fold, and this is a makeshift drawer, but if you have your drawers look like that, then it's very easy to find what you're looking for and you don't lose the t-shirts that are on the bottom of the pile. And I absolutely love my flip and fold, and I purchased them on Amazon.